Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus Realme X7 Max device. So finally friends, it's happening and even I'm really interested to see which phone will be performing really good. So before every time I do the speed test, for the first time I'll definitely guess, so this phone will be the winner and this Snapdragon processor will be the winner. But for the first time, even I'm really curious to see which phone will be the winner in terms of this speed test, because both phones they do have the same kind of Dimensity 1200, so and same kind of 8GB RAM and 128GB variants. So that's what I'm trying to use in this video. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. First thing to do is a reboot test. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. Yes, absolutely. In case if you enjoy this kind of content, so make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned. Don't worry, I did create the playlist for the Poco F3 users. So in case if you're having the plans to buy the Poco F3, try to check the playlist. Not only for the one phone, even I did create each and every playlist for each and every phone, whatever I buy. Even for the live wallpapers and this kind of speed test results, you can find the speed test playlist as well, which will be really good to see which phone will be winner. As you can see, you can check this playlist friends. So I'm mainly suggesting this kind of playlist not for increasing my views, so it's useful for you. That is what my main motive of my channel overall is. So if you follow my channel, you will definitely understand. So right now the Poco F3 GT is a winner in terms of the speed test, and let's get started without wasting any time. And during this time of testing, I did select 15 applications and 5 games. Yes, 15 applications and 5 games, and all these 5 games are not added into the game space or ultra game mode, nothing at all. So I did not add them at all. So this 15 applications and 5 games, I'll try to see which phone can actually keep them in the RAM management and which phone can actually open them faster. That is what I'm going to look after. First, let me try to go to the settings application and show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect during this time of testing. Let me try to connect to the 5 GHz network. So is the 5 GHz, yes, it's connected to the 5 and it's connected to the 5 GHz network. So now let's start the test. Let me try to clear all the background applications and perfectly clean, and let me show you what is the RAM availability. So I'm not trying to use any kind of dynamic RAM expansion because that's of no use. So you know, even I know, so there's no point in using that kind of dynamic RAM expansion. So 5.5 GB out of 8 GB is available, and 4.7 GB is available out of 8 GB. As you can see friends, absolutely. So this is a kind of RAM availability before starting the test. Try to remember the numbers before and after loading this 15 games and 15 applications and 5 games, then we'll be able to compare. So let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. So let's start with the Google Chrome first, and Poco F3 GT did open the application first, not bad. Instagram, both phones are doing really great job. So next is a game. So I did add this kind of games randomly. I did not include them continuously. It's kind of random placement about the games. And first phone to open this game is Poco F3 GT. As you can see friends, I can definitely feel. So with the initial impression only, I can definitely understand which phone will be able to survive in my extreme testing. So if you know what I mean by extreme testing, I'll definitely note that. But Poco F3, somewhere I'm getting some kind of feeling that it may be able to survive, but let's see. Let's not come into the conclusions on the day one itself, obviously. So both phones are connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's try to do the Wi-Fi speed test at same time. So let's see which phone will be able to take most of the Wi-Fi at same time if you try to do. So right now Poco F3 GT is struggling to take it, and the Realme X7 Max is also taking a little bit, and now both are kind of close to equal, little bit but not much, as you can see. So just for normal sake to keep them in the background as RAM management, that is the reason I'm trying to do. So I'm not gonna judge this phone and this phone based upon these results. So I do know that. I just want to keep this in the background, this complete score. Whenever I try to open again, I should see this kind of score, not refreshing the score. That is the main purpose friends. I'm not judging, so don't worry in that. So let me try to go back and open the Candy Crush game. In the Candy Crush, I think Poco F3 GT, you did see that Poco F3 GT, and next is a calculator, and yep, and Facebook, not bad. And this is another game. So this game usually opens in few phones only. Not all the phones can actually open this kind of game faster, only few phones. So next is a Ghana. So I think the Poco F3 GT did open not bad at all friends. The moment I did the speed test, Poco F3 GT versus iQOO 7 device, at that minute only, if you remember my words, you will definitely understand. Poco F3 GT is behaving slightly faster than the Realme X7 Max. I did predict that. So before itself, because I can definitely get that kind of vibes when I'm trying to use the phone. So after doing so many hundreds and thousands of videos and testings and so many times, I can definitely feel that kind of soft feeling, initial impressions. So it's like guessing at first sight, means love at first sight, same like that, guessing at first sight. That's how I will be guessing the phones in the first look itself. After uploading few videos, I can definitely understand which phone is behaving in what kind of manner. So right now, till now, no problem, and not bad. The Poco F3 GT. In terms of the games, I did see the Poco F3 GT is loading faster in terms of the games. So if you observe that. So I need to do the side-by-side comparison. I'll try to do only game multitasking, only game speed test. I'll try to do it, friends. So don't worry about that. Yes, now it's the time to see how much RAM is used in both phones. So right now the RAM usage in the Realme X7 Max is 2.44 GB is available. It's exactly showing how much it's available, as you can see. But in the Poco F3 GT, not only in the Poco F3 GT, this is a problem in the MIUI itself, in the other phones like MI Linux. Right now you can see RAM, it's kind of not consistent. It doesn't show exact value every time. Always it remains 5 GB. Sometimes it goes up to 6 GB as well in my previous testing. So that's the reason that we cannot be relying on this availability of the RAM. So let me just show you, friends. All the applications are completely open in both phones. That is what I'm going to exactly show you right now. As you can see, everything, all applications starting to ending, all applications are completely open. Let me to start from the back side. Let's see which phone has really good RAM management. That is what proves which UI is really optimized for this kind of heavy load. So let's see how many games will be open. I'm really curious to see, friends. So yes, and Flipkart, not bad. Temple Run. So in case if you like my videos, don't worry, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for every day. I'll try to upload this kind of unique kind of videos, so comparing with the phones. And not bad, till here 2 rows successful in both phones. And one more thing, you did see that refreshing. So whenever you close the application or any kind of game, and if you try to go to the home screen, you'll get that kind of refresh kind of feeling in this, not only in the Poco F3 GT, even in MI Linux as well. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you. Sometimes it not happens always, sometimes it does happen, the page will get refreshed sometimes. So now the speed test, both phones, not bad. YouTube reloaded, as you can see, this is absolutely the Realme X7 Max got reloaded in the YouTube, in the Realme X7 Max. Amazon also got reloaded in this phone. That's, I think, the Poco F3 GT till load in, I think, till Amazon. Let's see the Ace Foods. I think yes, absolutely, that's kind of good. So you did see that the refresh which has happened just now. So not bad. And yes, so the final winner is a Poco F3 GT. Yes, absolutely, friends, this is a real winner, and which can actually come tough competition with the iQOO 7 device. Yes, absolutely, this is so far the closest phone which has got from the other brand. So from the same brand iQOO 3 and iQOO Z3, they were able to perform same way, but from other brand, other UI I'm trying to talk about. So other than OnePlus, I did see this Poco F3 GT also is doing really great job in terms of coming this kind of competition. I did like this kind of competition, friends, with the iQOO 7 device, because till now I did like only one thing in this phone, which is performance. Till now, yes, I'm just waiting for the other phone which can actually beat this monster. So right now we got this another competition which is a beast here. Let's see whether this is going to be beast or maybe the monster will be the winner. That is what I'm going to check in next upcoming videos. But overall, in terms of the RAM management, the Poco F3 GT is a clear winner when you compare with the Realme X7 Max device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know in the comments section below. In case if you want me to include any other applications, let me know in the description. And as you can see, the RAM is not consistent. It's not showing consistently in the Poco F3 GT. It's not problem about phone or any processor. It's a problem with the MIUI. I did experience from long back. From 1 year and 2 years, I'm experiencing same issues with plenty of other phones with the same MIUI. So I'm not sure when they're going to fix, but Realme UI is consistently showing exactly how much it's available. As you can see, if I clear everything, the RAM availability will increase in this Realme X7 Max. As you can see, Realme X7 Max, the RAM availability is increasing. Let me just show you here. The RAM availability is decreasing if I try to clear everything. 5.2 GB of 8 GB is available. As you can see, friends. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, make sure to check the playlist before asking the questions, because I must have uploaded the same video what you are looking for. So make sure to check the playlist. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.